What if I told you there are 2 spicy Korean ingredients that are not only packed with flavor, but actually good for you too? Let me show you how Gochugaru and Gochujang can take your plant-based cooking to the next level. Hey everyone, I'm Chuck from Brand New Vegan. I help folks, especially those of us over 40, add more plant-based meals to their diet without giving up the comfort foods they love. Today we're diving into 2 bold and spicy Korean staples, Gochugaru and Gochujang. Gochugaru is simply Korean red chili flake. It's made from sun-dried Korean chili peppers, usually de-seeded. It has a deep red color with a smoky, sweet heat. It's not as hot as cayenne, but it definitely has a little kick. You often find it in kimchi, Korean soups, and side dishes. Gochujang is a thick fermented chili paste. It's made from gochugaru, sticky rice, fermented soybeans, and salt. It's spicy, a little sweet, and super savory, so lots of umami. People use it in everything from bibimbap to spicy stir fries. Both are made from chili peppers, which means they contain capsaicin. That's the stuff that brings the heat, but it also helps reduce inflammation. Gochujang is fermented, so it's good for your gut. And both are low in fat and low in calories. But just a heads up, some store-bought Gochujang brands can have added sugar or preservatives, so check those labels. You can usually find Gochugaru and Gochujang at Asian grocery stores or in the international aisle of the big chain supermarkets. And don't forget specialty stores like New Seasons and Whole Foods. If you're shopping online, there's always Amazon. Look for vegan-friendly versions. Some Gochujang brands may include anchovy, fish sauce, or honey. Gochugaru is super versatile. Sprinkle it anywhere you would normally use red pepper flakes, pizza, roasted veggies, noodles, even popcorn. Or, of course, you could always make my vegan kimchi. Gochujang makes a great base for sauces, dressings, marinades, and soups. And together, total flavor bomb. Let me show you a quick and easy recipe using Gochujang. It's a very tasty Korean-style salad dressing, and it's also yummy on a potato with a little bit of kimchi. Okay, I made this as a salad dressing, but you can use it lots of different ways. You're going to want to start with a 1/4 cup of plant-based yogurt, any kind you like. Foragers, Kite Hill, they're all good. Make sure it's plain, not vanilla flavored. And to that, we're going to add about a tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. There's the gochujang. It's kind of sticky, so it'll take a little effort to get that off the spoon. Make sure you mix it really good, get all those clumps out. To that, we're going to add a couple of teaspoons of rice vinegar. Gives it a little twang. A teaspoon of garlic. A teaspoon of sesame seed, roasted sesame seed, or toasted. And there's the gochugaru, a teaspoon. You can cut that in half if you don't like the heat. A little bit of maple syrup, like a half a teaspoon for sweetness. And that is the dressing. Mix that up really good. It'll make about half a cup. So I made a double batch and put it into a little 8-ounce jelly jar there. It's perfect for the fridge. It'll last a week or so. And you can put that on your salad. Here's my potato with a little kimchi in that dressing. It was so good. So that's a quick look at Gochugaru and Gochujang. 2 delicious Korean ingredients you might want to add to your spice cabinet. They're flavorful, versatile, and fit perfectly into a whole food plant-based kitchen. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the like and the subscribe button. And if you're interested in even more plant-based comfort food recipes, check out my cookbook, Comfort Food Classics. And don't forget, if you need support, I run a private support group to help folks just like you make the switch to eating more plants. So until next time, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.